this is going to be a review on a new gun I just got. Now, this is the umerex octane 177 caliber. Now, really cool about these, I've had umerex guns. If you look back on my channel a little bit, you'll find I had the umerex, I'm trying to remember, umerex fusion and the umerex NSG. I think that's how you call it. I'll probably put those both videos in the description of this video, but maybe, I'm not sure. Now, right here, this gun, I forget how fast it goes, but I think it's like 1,450 feet per second with alloy pellets, and like 1,250-ish feet per second with like lead pellets. I do have 7.9 grain pointed Crossman Crossman pointed pellets, the 7.9 one. This gun does come with a 3x9x40 AO scope, so I never used one of these before, but it has like it ranges it for you, like the distance, by just twisting this, without having a viewfinder. You can just use this. Right now I have it just on 30. That would be 30 yards, because I take very long shots. I have it on 30 and 5 and 30. That little dot you line up with. But this gun, saying else, this is a break barrel, so you pull it down. I think it's about 25 to 30 pounds of caulking. It's really nothing, because it's nitro piston. I don't know what I think they call it gas piston or something in this. Nitro piston is with Crossman, but I'm not sure what they would call it in this. But this does have the safety, if you can't see. When you pull it back, it can fire. When you push forward, it can't fire. That's the opposite of any gun I ever had in my life. But this thing, it's a pin. Like, I don't know about umerex guns, but like all the ones I've had always hit like 3 to 5 pellets in pretty much the same hole at like 15 yards. Like it goes about maybe about you could hit a 22 pellet like these. Like you just hit them off a target or something. You set them up on a piece of wood and you can shoot them off with this at 15 yards. It's that accurate. Like, I really like it.